How to upload and share files in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can upload and share files in Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. To upload and share file in Google Drive, it's a very easy process. First, you make sure you have the Google Drive app installed. Then log into your Google account. To upload a file, tap on the new button that you can see here, then tap on upload. And just select the file that you want to upload over here. So it could be any file like a wallpaper or a zip file, whatever else it is. You can see the file is being uploaded. So just be patient until it is done uploading, and you can just go to this file section to view the files that you have uploaded, or you can go here and you can see that particular file. Now you can see this is the file. I can tap the three dots option here, then I can tap on manage access. Once I tap on manage access, currently it is restricted. So what we have to do is we have to make this public. So from restricted, tap the change button that you can see over here, then tap on it again, then select anyone with the link. Once you select anyone with the link, to copy the link, you just tap on this link icon from here, and when you share this link, anybody with the link will be able to view this file, as long as the file exists within Google Drive, of course. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.